Welcome back, guys. In today's lesson, we are diving deep into one of the most important foundations of JavaScript, data types. If you understand data types very well, every other part of JavaScript becomes easier. Variables, functions, arrays, object, DOM, everything. So today, I'll show you all the main data types in JavaScript, how they work, where they are used, and I'll explain every single line slowly and clearly. We'll cover strings, numbers, Boolean, Null, undefined, arrays, object, type of keyword, and we'll write clear practical examples so that even a complete beginner will understand. Alright, let's start coding. So we are opening our JavaScript folder that we've created earlier. So this is it opening, and okay, great. This is our JavaScript file. So let's delete our old code. Still initializing, so we select it and we'll delete it. The first data type we are working with is string. A string simply represents text, anything inside quotes. Let first name equals piece. Here I created a variable called first name and stored a text value inside double quote. Let course equals JavaScript basics. This is the same thing but with single quote. Both work in JavaScript. Let sentence equals welcome to JS. And this uses backticks, which allows special features we'll learn later. So string equals text. Next, we have numbers. Numbers represent any numeric value, whole number, decimal, or even negative values. Let age equals 20. Age is a whole number. Let price equals 1500.50. Price is a decimal number, but JavaScript still calls it a number. Let temperature equals -4. Negative values are also valid. Booleans are either true or false. They are very important for decision and conditions. Let is logged in equals true. This means the user is logged in. Let is admin capital A admin is equals false. This means the user is not an admin. Null means empty on purpose. Let selected product equals null. This means the variable exists but it currently has no value. You will use null when resetting a value, clearing form, removing selected items, etc. Undefined means a variable exists but has no value yet. Let user email. Here we just created the variable without assigning anything. JavaScript automatically sets it to undefined. Let user phone equals undefined. You can also set undefined manually, but it's not common. Arrays stores multiple values inside one variable. Let color equals red, green, and blue. This array contains 3 strings. Okay, let numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. This one contains numbers. Arrays are extremely important. We use them to store list items, products, users, or anything. Object stores data in key pair values. Let user equals name, piece, and age 20. A student, true. Name is a key, piece is the value. Objects are everything in JavaScript: APIs, settings, user data, etc. Finally, we are going to be looking at the type of operator. Okay, this is it. So we have typeof. This tells you the data type of a value. Console.log type of first name. It's a string. Okay. Console.log type of age is a number. Console.log type of is logged in as a Boolean. Console.log type of selected product object. Yes, null is weird in JS actually. So console.log type of colors objects, too, because arrays are objects in JS. Console.log type of users objects. Typeof helps you understand and debug values. So that's everything for today's lesson on JavaScript data type. If you understand these 8 data types, you already understand the foundation of JavaScript. In the next video, we'll continue with operators, strings, and numbers, and slowly we'll start building small projects together. Don't forget to practice this code on your own. That's how you truly learn JavaScript. And these are everything that we've printed out from our console.log: string, number, boolean, object, undefined, object. If this video was helpful, give us the like button, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more development videos. Thank you.